Okay everyone, the quality of this video is probably not going to be very good because one, I'm in my security booth right now doing this, and two, I've never really tried to do this kind of thing. But somebody asked for me to show how I edit my videos, and so I have here a video that I'm currently working on. And the reason why he was asking for this video is because problems with the aspect ratio and things of that nature when uploading it to YouTube. So I'm not going to focus on the actual editing process itself. I'm using the software that comes with it, Cyberlink Power Director Express, and basically what you do is you drag all these things down here, and you can do all of the cutting and the pasting that you want to do, transitions, whatever it is that you need to do. It's not going to affect any of the aspect ratio or quality of your video when you're uploading it. What's going to affect your quality is when you go here to produce, you're going to come up with this page right here, and what you're going to want to do is go to create a streaming file. If you're going to want a good high quality HD kind of video, this is where you're going to go, create a streaming file. And I go ahead and just use WMV out of these two because it's the most popular one. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this format right here. You're going to want to change this from the smallest one that it has. You're going to come all the way down to either standard quality or HD standard quality or high quality. I just use HD standard quality. If you recorded anything else, you're going to have a very small ratio, and it's not going to be the best quality. So you're going to want to use the HD standard quality if you're going to use the WMV format. It's pretty much your only small option. It's going to take forever to process though. And when you're done with that, as you can see, if you go down to the properties here, we got 1280 by 720. That's pretty good size there. You just click next, and it tells you all the information you're going to need to know before you click enter, from the duration of the video to the aspect ratio. Make sure it says 16:9 if you want widescreen. If you don't want those black boxes all around your video, it's got to say 16:9. And when you're ready, you just hit the check mark. Now, if you're going to do any other kind of format, you're going to go to create a file. Let's just use AVI for example. On AVI, here's where you're going to notice if your aspect ratio gets messed up. I'm going to go to Windows AVI. Watch what happens when I do Windows AVI. We get a pop-up screen. Hopefully you haven't unchecked this. It says, warning, this profile does not support widescreen. Always prompt me when widescreen is not supported. Basically, this means you are going to get those black boxes if you upload it in this format. You're going to be in 4:3 aspect ratio, which is not widescreen, it's full screen. You don't want that format if you don't want those black boxes. You want to be in DV-AVI if you're going to do an AVI format. And this is going to be a slightly smaller video size. It's only 720 by 480. This is what I use for a lot of my things I don't want in HD quality. I just want in high quality. It's a pretty good format to use. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for those of you who've been having a lot of trouble with aspect ratios, not being in widescreen, and those who have been having trouble with getting into HD. Again, if you want HD and you want it to be widescreen, use WMV and go down to HD standard quality or HD high quality. That's it. Hope this is helpful.